Get rid of your vocal break and reach higher notes with effortless strength. You too can gain that extra octave your voice needs. I'll share with you more on that in a moment, but first, wouldn't it be great to share your singing voice and shock those around you? Most folks believe that great singing is a gift that you are born with, so they don't bother trying to improve or move past their self-perceived limitations. Many have cheated themselves out of the satisfaction and joy of singing beautifully. They have missed out on a rich life experience. Why? Because they tried it a few times in their life, and because they weren't amazing at it straight away, they decided they were terrible. You too can maximize your singing range with vocal agility and resonance, with fast results. Provided you know how to tune your voice the right way. Learning the correct techniques is what makes all the difference, and quickly. You might be saying to yourself, "But wait, I know I don't sound very good, or at least not as good as I could." The reason for that is you haven't learned to use your vocal cords properly yet. In fact, the beauty of the vocal cords is that they respond to exercise very quickly. It's a delicate muscle that only needs minutes a day to tune, provided you know how to tune your voice the right way. Your vocal cords can be conditioned like a multi-million-dollar musical instrument. It doesn't matter if you failed music in school, or are the worst singer in your choir. Even if people have called you tone deaf. Just follow the simple steps, and before you know it, you will have amazing vocal agility and a power that resonates effortlessly. You have it in you. But you need to know the right techniques. Like our organic auto-tune technique that gives you velvet honey vocals through 3 octaves. And the loaded sonancy method that gives you absolute confidence in projecting your vocals with flawless technique, just to name a few. Learning the correct techniques is what makes all the difference, and quickly. Just like serving a tennis ball properly, or swinging a golf club correctly. By using professional insider tips and techniques, these are the hallmarks of a winner, someone who stands out among everybody else. What has kept you from almost becoming a fantastic singer? Maybe you have a nagging feeling of a path not taken? With many of our success stories, the phrase we hear most often is, "I almost missed out on unleashing the amazing voice that I had." Here's a way to make up for time you have missed, smashing your vocal barriers. When your voice has been conditioned properly with the right guidance, only then will you be able to master the most important aspects of singing. To be able to sing with power, where your voice effortlessly resonates with strength and clarity. A smooth tone with beautiful vibrato. Adding an extra octave or more to your range. Bridged vocalization, or sometimes called a mixed voice, where you can easily shift from your chest voice to your head voice with effortless agility, hitting those high notes without any cracks. Of course, there is a lot more to singing incredibly, but these aspects are the cornerstones of a great singer. You can learn these cornerstones easily, by putting aside just 15 minutes a day, even if you have to break it up throughout your schedule, whether you are in the shower, after breakfast, or even in your car on the way to work. You will see alarming results in under a week. Singorama 2.0 does more than enlighten you with a singing realization. It also has notoriety for being the most comprehensive learn to sing program you can get. The core system consists of 28 audio modules. This is combined with ebooks, worksheets, and tools designed to condition your voice quickly. Because the art of singing is more than just breathing exercises and singing strengthening techniques, Singorama has been dedicated to providing the most relevant and up-to-date training for related aspects of performing. Things like getting over that stage anxiety, working with a band, bad singing habits to avoid being able to learn a song properly, learning to write your own songs. If you are inexperienced on stage, our performance tips as well as advice on auditions and how to ace them will also be extremely valuable for you. Of course, the program wouldn't be complete without detailed training in achieving bridged vocalization, as well as attaining a powerful resonating sound to your voice with greater singing agility, learning about major and minor keys, the solfege system, time signatures, key signatures, and rhythm progressive interval training. We believe that this program can give you an exceptional edge over other singers. As you master the progressive interval training exercises and the solfege system, you will increase your ability to learn songs and harmonize in a way that previously would have been like another language. And then of course there's pitch, how to stay in tune. We teach you how to avoid singing sharp or flat. And we will also teach you about perfect pitch and relative pitch. This course is as comprehensive as it gets. Nothing has been left unanswered. Remember, you hold all the power here. The power to take back your money if you are not thrilled with the product, and the power to change your life as an incredible singer.